Alright, I've got my little setup here at my bench. Got the piece of styrene, an old piece of track. Ties are coming off anyway, so I'm basically just going to recycle the ties. I just pull them off like that, just pop it off. And I think I'll hold on to this rail because I'm actually going to use some scraps of rail and make a rail fence along the right-of-way. I'm using these pieces of Code 55 rail, so that'll be another project and part of detailing the interchange scene, but that's what I plan on doing with these. So I'm going to take my little rail nipper here and just do some flush cutting. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just pull this off. I can actually just pull this off. What I'm going to do with these ties here, and hopefully you can see it. Let me zoom in some. Zoom. Let's see how far I can zoom in so you can see what I'm doing before this thing starts blurring up. Oh, okay, I think I'm probably pushing my luck here. Alright, as you can see, you've got this hole in this tie here, and this is the back of the tie, and that's the front. I want to have the wood grain. I'm just going to flush cut this off. You can see maybe you can see the spike detail there, just right behind the spike detail, like that. Okay, and do this on the other side. So that. So I have this little short, I don't know, maybe 4-foot piece. And what I'm going to do is basically cut a whole bunch of these pieces and stagger them on here so they're not all lined up in a row, and glue them on. So just to kind of give you an idea ahead of time of where I'm going with this. So let me go ahead and cut a bunch of these out. You need to sit back and watch me do that for the whole time. So maybe I could just do this on time-lapse mode. Why don't I do that? Here we are. I knew she'd come and visit. Here she is, doing her inspection. Say hello to America, Moggle. Look up. Hello. Okay, good kitty. Are you happy now? Are you happy? Alright, I need to move out of here. Go on, down you go. a couple more short pieces in the back here, and I think this will be this will be good for now. I'm still a little bit skeptical about what's going on here. It's like Frankenstein and this grade crossing together. We'll see if the body lives. I think the proof will come when I actually drop this between the tracks. Yeah, I'm liking the fact this is only 4 ties wide, because I definitely don't want this to be too wide, so that the wheel flanges catch on it. That would not be cool.